The wonderful thing of catalysis is a very good tool to make reactions easier. So every reaction needs to break bonds and make new bonds. So you need energy for that. And what a catalyst does is to reduce the energy need for this reaction to occur. So makes you actually, or gives you a lot of potential to do many things with much less energy consumption. We try to develop new kind of catalysis that allows to make chiral molecules that can be important for pharmaceuticals, for example, but also for materials that maybe need chirality to give different properties to the materials. But we also work, as today we will show also some kind of photocatalysis. And this is how to use the energy of light, basically, to basically give the energy to the reaction that is needed.
In our group, we also develop organokatalysis, which is based on molecules that have non-metals. And this is very important also for like the future, because precious metals like iridium and so on are not really available nowadays. It's like it's not that are not available, but are like diminishing day by day, and this is a problem everywhere. And organokatalysis, like photo organokatalysis, as we do here, it can be very helpful because you can reduce the use of these metals and increase the green ability of photocatalysis.
For the future, also it's important the source of the energy you want to use. So it has to be sustainable, renewable. So that's why the question of light or electricity, it comes now very important in the society, and that's why also many people are driven to do research in this kind of area, how to use this type of energy instead of just fuel energy, basically, or the typical thing that we always do is to heat to get the energy, but this is not going to be sustainable, especially you want to make, I don't know, tons of a compound. It's a lot of energy cost in that. You can play around with how it actually works, and this is for me is very exciting because it gives you the tools like a Lego, so you can do things, think about them. Sometimes you get it completely wrong and it's different, so the way to find out how it works always, motivated me to try to know more or try to develop something else. On paper, everything is working. So you can have crazy ideas. And then in reality, by trying to make them, you might learn even more things. But I think for me, this is why it motivates me to work in this area.